Well, our work in our lab is mainly focused on the research about adipose tissue dysfunction, and we are interested in the mechanisms involved in adipose tissue dysfunction and how this dysfunction is involved in the progression from obesity to the metabolic syndrome and the development of type 2 diabetes. And we are mainly focused on the regulation of the vascular network of the adipose tissue, because we believe it's important to regulate the adipocyte function. And when the vascular network is not functioning properly, the the adipose tissue may become hypoxic, and that dysregulates the adipocyte metabolism, and with consequences for glucose and lipid metabolism, and also for the secretome of the adipose tissue. Well, those changes are closely associated with the development of insulin resistance, also in liver and muscle. So we believe that if we could modulate the function of the vascular network of the adipose tissue, we could improve the function of the tissue itself, the metabolic and endocrine function, and that could prevent the metabolic dysregulation that we now call unhealthy obesity, which is an obesity with metabolic dysregulation. And preventing that, we could prevent the progression from obesity to type 2 diabetes. Well, our workplace is a relaxed, very relaxed workplace. We have always music. We have many people working in the same laboratory. We are always around 10 people in the same laboratory, and there is no barriers between us. So some of us are working in our laptops, other people are doing experiments. So there is a close relationship between everybody, and many times someone is doing an experiment, and when the result comes, it's immediately discussed between everybody. So I think that's an environment, we create an environment proper for a quick discussion of the results, and to do something more immediately. We are not waiting 1 week or 1 month to discuss the results to see what we will do nextly. We discuss immediately the results. We have always a relaxed environment with music. Everybody is sometimes everybody is laughing for something, and we are always talking, and in the middle of that we discuss the results, and sometimes we have a result and the next day we are already doing something new. So I think that it's an environment that encourages the scientific discussion, but also the good environment between people.